Here's everything you need to know about eToro's Cash ISA, powered by Moneyfarm. A Cash ISA lets your money grow with tax-free interest. It works just like a regular savings account, but you pay zero tax on the interest you earn, no matter how much it is. Your capital stays safe and simply earns interest, helping your savings grow faster than in a standard account. On eToro, you can open a Cash ISA or transfer an existing one and manage it right alongside your other investments. You can move your existing Cash ISA to eToro directly in the app. Just go to the eToro ISA section, tap the three dots on the top right-hand side, and select Transfer an ISA. Follow the on-screen steps to complete your transfer. Moneyfarm will take care of the rest. Ready to make your ISA work harder? Learn more and open your eToro ISA today.